Good morning, India. Honorable Chief Guest, respected principal, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. My name is MD Abdurrab Ansari. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. I would like to speak a few words from the bottom of my heart on this auspicious occasion. I feel immensely honored to be a part of this celebration. Friends, today we are celebrating the 74th Independence Day. It is one of the most important day for all Indian citizens. This day is very important for all Indians because on this day, 15 August 1947, our country became independent from British rule over India for more than 200 years, during which they divided and controlled us. Many brave wars of India freedom fighters raised their voice against the British to teach them a lesson and hosted the tribunal on Indian soil. Thousands of brave sons sacrificed their lives for freedom in Indian freedom struggle. This is a day to remember sacrifice of freedom fighters who effect give us independence. Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev, नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस, पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू, महात्मा गांधी, डॉक्टर बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर, Vallabhbhai Patel, Maulana Azad, Lokmanya Tilak are many names who have made enable contribution to Indian freedom struggle. We cannot imagine that horrible movement struggled by our forefathers. Due to the struggle of these heroes, we are living a happy lives in today's society without any pressure. His contribution and struggle in Indian freedom struggle is an inspiration to all Indian citizens. 74 years after independence, today India has made rapid progress in many fields like agriculture, sports, education, science, and technology. Manufacturing today, India is known as a progressive and powerful country all over the world. The credit goes to these migrant heroes and freedom fighters. Today, our country is on the path of progress, but even today, our Indian citizens are facing many careers, corruption, terrorism, poverty, unemployment, farmer suicide, and insecurity of women. As an Indian citizen, I just want to say that if you have to carry this problem, then all of us should unite and raise our voice against such problem and show the power of law to the criminals so that we can end this problem. So let's come together on this auspicious occasion and solve these Indian heroes and all to make the country make powerful by ending such terrible problem. Thank you.